So we start off today's video with this major hair transformation. So she has shoulder length grown out blonde hair. Oh, wow, she went platinum. Loving this hair color change. So bold and beautiful. I absolutely adore it. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of incredible hair transformations. So here we see a big chop. She currently has like this really pretty brown color, and bam, platinum once again with this tapered cut. Absolutely love this cut and color combination. Amazing. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll of course stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we see someone with mid-back length hair. She has a really pretty like orange color. She places the hair in some ponytails and begins to cut. So she grabs the clippers and begins to shave. And it looks like she is doing the shaven buzz cut trend. Incredible. Wow, she looks amazing. Next up, we have someone who has mid-length hair. She has a really pretty burgundy shade. And the stylist transforms the hair into a beautiful pixie cut. Very nice shape and texture for this one. And the color really enhances the cut. It's beautifully done. Next up, we have someone who has some hair extensions. So she kind of has like a split dye happening with the color. She's adding some pink to the extensions. Oh, wow, I love this. So pretty. And it actually looks purple now that she's outside. Very cool hairstyle. And we are seeing a lot of prints and patterns when it comes to hair color this season. And I think that that was a really nice play on the trend. Next up, we have someone who has mid-length hair. She has a nice head of hair too, very thick. The stylist ended up doing more of like a layered cut. And he cut the hair to around shoulder length. Beautifully done. And then we have our last hair transformation of the day. And she ended up getting a faded cut with this gorgeous copper hair color shade. Wow, she looks amazing. Loving the color and the cut combination. Alright, you guys. If you did feel inspired by today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.